Are you Daddy's little stunt man? Yeah. You Daddy's little stunt man. Are you Mister? Go and stand on there. This guy getting on? Not the song yet. Not yet, son. Not yet. It's not the dancey one yet. You gotta wait. It's too early. Wee! It's too early to dance. What you doing? Checking to make sure that. What you doing, son? Wrong religion. What's that? Come here, kiss that here, man. What is it? Don't touch that. What are you looking for? No, I know it's cool, but don't touch it. Mucky. Nighttime story. No, not there. Do a roly-poly here. Come and do it this way, Jacob. No, this way. Come on. Do it this way. Shall everybody hear me do a roly-poly? Come on then. Push. Nearly done your roly-poly. Come on. Keep going. Push. Whoa. Nearly. Again. Push. Roly-poly. Push. Come on then. Push. Nearly. Daddy had to help you there. Not that way. No, this way. Not by the fireplace. This way. Come on. Not by the fireplace. Come here. This way. Do it this way.
Here's a parrot, brown and blue. Root to whip, to woo. Chugga, weep. Chicka, tweet. Urra, rah-rah-wee. Kitcha, keep. What a crowd. What a crew.
Wow, what a great song that was, Jacob. Kitcha, coo, picky, poo. Where's the cow? What does the cow do? What does the cow do, Jacob? What does the cow do? What does the cow do? What does the cow do? What does the duck do? Jacob, what does the doggy do? Show everybody, what does the cow do? What does the doggy do? Oh. What does the monkey do? Jacob, what does the cow do? What does the doggy do? What does the cow do? What does the monkey do? What does the horsey do? Jacob, what does the horsey do?
The biggest bird, the loudest call, but whatever could have made him fall?
Jacob, what does the monkey do? What does the duck do? What does the horsey do?
So we can all snuggle into our nests.
Clever lad. What does the cow do? What does the cow do? What does the piggy do? What does the sheep do? Clever lad. What a clever lad.